Hi everyone, this is I am Ali. Today we will study about production possibility frontier. So those who haven't subscribed my this channel, please subscribe it as you can attend the upcoming lectures related to the economics. So what is production possibility frontier? It is simply the combination of outputs. For example, we have a firm who wants to produce 100 cars. It cannot produce any quantity of computers because this is the jurisdiction of a firm. So if maximum car a firm want to produce, it can produce 100 cars but cannot produce any computer. But for example, the demand of computer or anything else about related to the computer is emerged, our interest of a customer towards a computer is emerged. Firm wants to produce computer. Firm has to compromise cost to produce computers because there is a shortage or the scarcity of resources. So when a firm was producing 100 cars, it shifts to 60 and it can produce 400 computers by reducing 40 cars. For example, there is a huge demand of computers. Firm again wants to produce more computers. So from C it shifts to A. For that, firm has reduced the production of cars to produce computers. So this was all about this. Remember, this is the jurisdiction of a firm. If firm produce inside of this jurisdiction, it means the maximum labors are not used, or we can say the optimum inputs are not utilized to produce any product. This is the B is the example of that, in which only 40 cores and 300 computers are produced. This can be maybe for example, firm has 1000 laborers, only 200 are working, and for example, firm has 100 equipments, only 10 or 20 are used, other are in rest. So firm will not and never will allow laborers to have rest and get the pay. So firm always wants to utilize their all resources. So firm and normal firm will not perform in B. Firm will perform on C and A. So what about D? D is a position which is outside the jurisdiction of a firm. There are possibilities the firm can produce on D. There are some conditions. So but here this jurisdiction is known as production possibility frontier. On this scenario, firm cannot produce on D, but there are some conditions firm can produce. What are those conditions? So let's take a look on those. Shift in the PPF, I mean production possibility frontiers. For example, a new technology is emerged. Now computers can be produced by firm by using less labors. So our PPF will shift from this blue to black. This is a shift of a PPF, meaning that the possibility of more computers increase because of new technology. Initially, we were producing 40 cores and 300 computers, but now less labor are required to produce computer because of latest technology. So because of emerging increase in the technology, the production of computer increase. But you see here the cars are also increased from 40 to 50. The reason behind that is because there less labor are required to produce computers. So remaining labors are shifted to produce cars. For example, initially uh, 50 labors were required to produce car and 50 for computers. Now only 20 labors are required to produce computers. So remaining 30 labors which were busy in producing computers now are engaged to produce car. So now 80 labors are in production of car. So that's why the production of car is also increased. Same scenario here, if the technology of car also if increase, what happens, the less labor are required for the cars. So this PPF shift towards the car, here the PPF shift towards the computer. Same scenario, and the production of car increase, less labors are required to produce cars, remaining shift to the computer. That's why the production of the cars also increase with the production of computers. Thank you so much for everyone to listening this lecture, and please again it's my humble request to subscribe my this channel, as you can watch the remaining n future videos, because I will cover almost all the topics related to the basic to the advanced economics. Thank you so much.